Dear friends, every morning I start my day off with a cup of coffee with 1 tablespoon of this side protein mix in it. So today's topic is about this side protein mix. This recipe is handed down by our great master Tya Sai Baba. In it has protein, dietary fiber, iron and B vitamins. It can strengthen our blood, brain, muscles and immune system. In these troubled times, when everybody is hoping for the best vaccination or the best medicine, why not strengthen our immune system? This side protein mix is actually suggested for growing children and parents. Growing children are the school-going children. They need to learn, understand, remember, and connect all the knowledge or information in order to answer questions in the exams. What about parents? We know that parenting is the most stressful in our lifetime. If the parents' brain cells are healthy, their moods are calm, they can think of solutions to their problems and they can run their family well. Now, not only the parents, now this pandemic has caused many to have low spirits. Those who have lost their jobs, income decreases or forced to stay at home, their moods are also badly affected. So we also need this side protein mix to uplift our spirits and boost our moods. Elderly people also benefit from this. We know of a lot of age-related diseases like Parkinson's, dementia, even movement agility. They are all because of our brain cells or our nerve cells, which is part of the brain, deteriorating. So, supplementing the brain cells with the vitamin B is the best to combat the age-related diseases. This side protein mix is not a medicine, but if you take it in the long run, the benefits will be felt. B vitamins is water soluble, meaning it cannot be kept in our body. We tend to lose it through sweat, urine, tears, or saliva. So we have to replenish it every day. The B vitamins, if you buy from the pharmacy or online, the cost is 5 times higher. This side protein mix is from natural ingredients. The method is so simple, I know everybody can master it. If you follow the recipe, this amount is enough for one person's a month supply. It actually is more than a month. This amount that I make is Malaysian ringgit 10 only. I hope you all learn to make this side protein mix at home so that your family can have a healthy and happy life. Let's look at the ingredients and the method. First, we need 1 cup of this whole wheat flour. This wheat flour is not to be mistaken with the plain flour. The Tamil name is Atta. If it's plain flour, it's Maida. Actually, the recipe is telling us to use wheat, the green gram or the green pea and the ragi. But since I cannot find those grains, I use the powder form. If you go to the big Indian grocery shops, if you can find this in the loose packet, go for it because it's cheaper. Next, we need 1 cup of ragi flour. It is from the red small grain or seeds like in the packet. See, this ragi flour is slightly red in color. Next is 1 1/4 cup of mung flour or green pea flour, which is slightly yellow in color. I roast these flours separately in a clean wok with low flame and constant stirring. The purpose is to remove the raw taste of the flour, bring out a nutty flavor, and then kill some germs that are in the flour. When they are hot enough, We keep them aside and let them cool down a bit. Here are half cup each of crushed peanuts and crushed white sesame. They need to be roasted first. We need 5 of these cardamoms. I have the husk or the skin removed and I only take the seeds inside. I don't have a grinder at home, so I use the mortar and pestle to pound it. Try to make the seeds as fine as possible. We also need 1 cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of ginger powder. I put all the ingredients back in a clean wok and combine them well. The flame is off. We can keep this side protein mix in a clean container after it has cooled down. It can last for 2 months. The recipe says to give the growing children 2 teaspoons of this powder morning and evening in their beverages. Well, don't just limit it to beverages. This flavorful powder can be used in cooking, in your baking, your bread making, in your desserts, whatever you can think of. So isn't it wonderful? You can make your own side protein mix, which is also a supplement for your vitamin B complex. Om Bhurbhuva Swaha Tatsaviduvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodaya.